Paborito mo ba ang baked macaroni pero ayaw mo ng sobrang matrabaho? Panoorin mo ang video kung paano gumawa ng easy, creamy, cheesy, beefy macaroni in one pan at walang oven. Super sarap at super dali nito. There's no need to boil water as the pasta cooks directly in the sauce for more flavor. Gumamit ng large pan with enough space para sa extra volume ng macaroni pag naluto. Maginit ng konting mantika at igisa ang onions, garlic, and bell peppers until softened. Add the ground beef at lutuin until lightly browned. Pwede ka rin gumamit ng ground pork or mag-add ng hot dogs if you like. Ilagay ang sweet-style spaghetti sauce at haluin to coat the meat. Ibuhos ang tubig at isunod ang evaporated milk. Bring to a simmer pero huwag pabayaang kumulo ng malakas para smooth ang sauce at hindi mag-curdle or separate. Add the elbow macaroni at haluin to distribute. Season with salt and pepper and stir to distribute. Takpan and simmer until the meat is cooked, the pasta is al dente, and the sauce is reduced. Check lang at haluin paminsan-minsan para hindi manikit sa ilalim. Pag halos paluto na ang macaroni, isama ang Nestle All-Purpose Cream for extra richness. Continue cooking for a few more minutes until heated through and the sauce is nice and thick.
Sabi. Sarap.
Top with grated cheese at takpan lang para mag-melt ito into a gooey cheesy layer.
La 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 la. Ooh.
Ayan na! Ready na ang one-pan cheesy beef macaroni na perfect panghanda or pang everyday cravings. Enjoy!